Hi, English enthusiasts! Welcome to my class. I am Teacher Julian and I am your teacher in English 6. Join me as we discover and explore the English language while having fun. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss providing evidence to support opinions. Everyone is entitled to have their own opinion. When one gives an opinion, it requires the person to back it up with evidence to convince his or her target audience. This lesson will help learners learn to provide evidence to support opinions. What is an opinion? An opinion refers to a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. It is a statement of what a person thinks, believes, and feels about something. It can be expressed, drawn, written, or spoken. It is not enough to just have opinions. Provide evidence to support your opinions. What is an evidence? Evidence is anything that tends to prove or disprove something. It is mostly thought of as proof to come to a belief, conclusion, or judgment about a topic. This may include examples, images, personal experiences, diagrams, charts, graphs, surveys, experiments, and other secondary sources of information. Others may agree or disagree with your opinion. However, you must back it up with evidence and other supporting details to persuade your target audience and/or listeners. Look at the two images. In the first image, the girl shooting the ball to the hoop thinks she's good in basketball because of her shooting skill. In the second image, the girl playing jump rope backed up her opinion with her personal experience as evidence. Because of the evidence given by these two girls, it is easier for people who are listening or reading their opinions to understand and believe them. In giving opinion, evidence should be enough to prove that the opinion is true and that others may believe in it. When understood by others, opinions with evidence become worthy and meaningful. Whether speaking, writing, or answering a question from the text read or heard, these are the sentence starters in stating opinion. I think, I feel, I believe, I'd say, it seems to me, it strikes me, I tend to think, in my opinion, personally, from my point of view, to my mind, I'm of the opinion, as far as I'm concerned, to my way of thinking, I might be wrong, but as I see it, the way I see it, if you ask my opinion. Let's try this. Give your opinions based on the situation. Use the given sentence starters in each number. Number 1. What is your opinion on the enhanced community quarantine in Imo City? The sentence starter is, in my opinion. Number 2. What can you say about the increasing cases of people with COVID-19 in the Philippines? The sentence starter is, as far as I'm concerned. Let me share to you my opinion in each situation. Number 1. In my opinion, the enhanced community quarantine is needed in Imo City to discipline the people who do not follow the health protocols. Number 2. As far as I'm concerned, the increasing cases of people with COVID-19 is the result of disorder of the people. Now, it is your turn to share your opinion. Good job! You were able to give your opinions based on the given situation. Whether giving your opinion or answering the questions from the text read or heard, cite or provide your answer with evidence. These are the sentence starters in citing evidence. According to the author or text, based on the information in the text, based on what I read, for example, from the reading, I know that, in the text, it states, on page, I noticed, on page, it said, one example from the text, the author or text stated, the author or text explicitly states. Let's try this. Read the passage. answer the questions and provide evidence found in the passage to support it. Use appropriate sentence starter. Daniel was on holiday with her parents and about to go home on Friday. She called Fred to come over to her house on Friday night to watch their favorite movie. It's the middle of the week and Fred had a long and tiring day answering his modules. He took his dinner and hurriedly hopped on his bike to go to Daniel's house. When he arrived, the house was dark. He rang the bell and there was no answer. Fred hopped on his bike again and went home. What do you think had Fred realized? Provide evidence in the passage. Let me share to you my opinion with evidence from the passage. I think Fred had realized that he was so tired that he mixed up his day, so he went home. According to the passage, he had a tiring day in answering his modules and it was only the middle of the week, which means it was only Wednesday that time. Now, it is your turn to share your opinion and provide evidence from the passage. Good job! You were able to provide evidence found in the passage. Citing evidence helps you relate and answer the questions given in a passage. Let's read the sample text and answer the questions that follow. Can you find the proof to your answers? Use the given color to show where you found each answer in the text. Elephants are the largest type of land animal. They live in Africa and Asia and can be as heavy as a truck. Elephants have a long trunk which they use to gather food, drink water, and bathe. To cool down, they flap their large ears. Elephants love to eat leaves, grass, and bark. They are really big, so they need to eat a lot of food. They sometimes spend up to 16 hours a day searching for food. The questions are: Number 1. How heavy are elephants? Number 2. What do elephants use their long trunk for? Number 3. Where do elephants live? Number 4. What do they do with their ears to help them cool down? And number 5. Why do you think elephants spend so much time searching for food? Let's check your answers. Did you get a perfect score? Great! You were able to show where you found the answer in the text. Before we end, remember, an opinion is a view or judgment formed about something and is not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. One that can possibly give an opinion can also provide evidence that come in different forms to support the opinion expressed. When understood by others, opinions with evidence become worthy and meaningful. I am glad to have you in my class. Again, this is Teacher Julian saying, everything in life is a choice. Choose to learn today and you will definitely earn tomorrow. God bless and happy learning. See you next time.